How to allow only admins to send messages in a WhatsApp group. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make a WhatsApp group admin only, so only admins can send messages, step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick WhatsApp tutorials. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Now, open the WhatsApp group where you want to restrict messages. Tap on the group name at the top to open group info. Then tap on group permissions. Under members can, find and turn off send new messages to restrict messaging in the WhatsApp group. Now go back to the group messaging page. There you can see you changed this group's settings to allow only admins to send messages to this group is displayed. And that's it. That's how you can allow only admins to send messages easily